I'm at 7610 Greystone in the Woodbridge Master Plan community in Sachse, Texas. This community has, I don't know, 5 or 6 pools. It's got playgrounds. It's got parks. It's got walking trails. It's got the golf course, public golf course. It's got stocked catch and release ponds. It is amazing. So many amenities for what you pay for in your HOA. But this particular house is extra special, a 1.5 story. So it has, the only thing upstairs is a game room, a full bathroom, and lots of closet space. Downstairs, all your bedrooms. Each bedroom practically has its own private bathroom. So there's a bedroom on this side, which, think about this for a minute, they're all split. So bedroom on this side, and it has its own ensuite bath. Bedroom and study on that side, and it has a hall bath. The primary is off the back of the house. Of course, it has its own ensuite. Just a cool floor plan. Come take a look.